Planning to explore New Orleans, but don't want to carry your luggage all day? Radical Storage offers a fast and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the sights of the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in New Orleans using Radical Storage, a reliable platform with secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops to ensure that your luggage is safe and fully insured while you explore the city. To avoid risks from phishing sites, access the official Radical Storage website through the secure link provided in the description. Once you're on the site, finding a luggage storage point in New Orleans is simple. Just type New Orleans into the search bar, and you'll see a list of available storage locations throughout the city. Pick the location most convenient for you, whether it's near key tourist areas, transit stations, or downtown. After selecting a location, choose your drop-off and pick-up times, then proceed with payment. Radical Storage ensures secure online transactions, so you can book without worry. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your selected luggage storage point. Upon arriving at the location, show the reference to the staff, and they will safely store your luggage. That's it. Now you're free to explore New Orleans without the burden of your bags, knowing they're safe with Radical Storage. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.